My pickup truck mirror got hit by one of our neighbor. In the slow-mo, you're gonna see a piece of the mirror come onto the ground. I did not make a claim because this is less than the deductible, and the neighbor never reported anything to us. I'm not sure if they did not feel that they hit something, but this is what the damage looked like. All I used was tape and some glue to put everything back together. This piece was broke off and I used some glue to put it back in before I could put everything together. And after that, I just aligned it with the back of the mirror and I push it back into place. Let me know, guys, in the comment, well, if it was you, what would you do? Would you talk to the neighbor? Would you make a claim? I also apply some glue to this hinge part. The gap was open more than it used to be. And this is what everything looked like. It's not perfect, but it's better than what it was before. And the hinge part is still getting caught. I plan to fix that later. And this is the next day, the same pickup truck that hit me. And I guess that was kind of my fault too. Now I always fold my mirror in so this never happen again. I had this pickup truck for about 3 months now, and this is the first time that somebody hit the mirror. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.